Hello, my name is Karen Salcedo. I live in Bogota and I want to tell you about my concerns about the degradation of the environment worldwide due to what we now as technological advance. Climate change is a widespread and growing global to biodiversity and ecosystem. The advances in technology have been beneficial for people, since this change have somewhat facilitated the daily life of the planet inhabitants. But these events have also have negative effect on the environment. For example, the water pollution, the excessive elaboration of plastic, destruction of forests, and destruction of fertile lands. According to the natural disasters that have been happening over the years, I consider that the human race, in its desire to modernize life, has accelerated the cycle of result. For example, with the use of aerosol, we have accelerated global warming, and we are curling the planet to destruction, which all the source of pollution generated in the various ecosystems. The impact of technology that grows measure is leading us to land degradation for the economic interest of world leaders. Based on all the event of destruction of natural resource, um, I consider that it's the result of environmental pollution, the excessive raw materials. Another aspect to highlight global warming, which cause various natural phenomena that destroy everything built by the hand of man. The governments at the head of the United Nations must begin to take the necessary measures to stop the destruction of nature. Taking measures of care and preservation of the environmental will allow countries to achieve sustainable development, which must be driven by the policies of the countries. Finally, I recommended that adequate and urgent measures be taken to save the general population, to preserve the place we live in.